Is there space or not? Conflicting accounts about the state of the Falmouth Cemetery in Trelawney from the mayor and a man who digs graves at the burial ground. The issue came up at the latest municipal corporation meeting. Krista Campbell was there.
Hard to see the name of this cemetery beneath the overgrowth of bushes, and even harder to see many of the graves here. But fresh flowers stand in contrast, indicating this dearly departed recently received a visitor. All around the cemetery, though, visitors of another kind. In one instance, an entire family of goats taking up temporary residence on some of the graves. Now, overgrowths like these are not unique to the Falmouth Cemetery in Trelawney, but a resident who did not want to be identified is annoyed and concerned.
See, place a woodland a tractor where we have dead a tractor, we have the shrub down tree. We dig one the grave. We tired of it, a time for the place clean up now, man. And they bring down a sort of rot when people right around people, because people live right around the cemetery. All kind of disease, you pick them, they catch all kind of things they come from the cemetery. And mosquito and thing.
Now, Mayor Colin Gager insists the cemetery has been cut, but frequent rains caused a rapid growth of bushes. Meanwhile, like many other cemeteries across the island,
we are going in that direction where soon and very soon we will have to say no more graves can be there.
About 5 acres of land here at the Falmouth Cemetery in Trelawney that the mayor says is almost running out of space. Now he's trying to secure more lands from the Sugar Company of Jamaica Holdings, but a gravedigger says there is enough land space here. Hyman Stubbs has been a gravedigger at the cemetery since 1976.
Me have these over there, so nobody never bury over there. Whole heap of space over there. Because over there, so you can get more than 1,000 grave spots over there, so. Over there, so you're supposed to go and get more than 5,000 grave spots around there, so.
And there's more.
You have space in here when nobody find God create heaven and earth when nobody never go yet.
He says he's offered to get a team to debush and plant up the space as well as whitewash all the graves, but was told there wasn't enough money to pay what he was asking. Meanwhile, the mayor says if his request for 50 acres of sugarlands is approved, the municipal corporation would have to find ways to make public cemeteries profitable.
We would have to look at things as maybe going double graves and that sort of thing, and even forming a relationship with the funeral homes.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.